Hello dear traders, and welcome to our Forex trading education, the basic course that we have launched. In this course I will show you with simple words what is to be a trader and how we actually benefit from the market. I will teach you how to set up the screen, how to choose your broker, because this is very important first step, and how to install the MetaTrader, one of the most common platforms for manual and algorithmic trading. And I'm not going into theory and terminologies. I will just introduce you to the very basic things that you need to know: the leverage, the margin, the stop loss and the take profit, how useful they could be in trading, and of course the other terminologies that every trader needs to know. I will explain very clearly what is the CFD trading and how we use it. As well, I will show you the main chart types and how to recognize the charts. And as well, I will share with you which is the type of chart that I prefer to use. And then I will teach you how to choose the right currency pair to trade at every moment, because this is very important. And I will teach you my system, plus I will teach you a unique indicator that will show you at every moment which currency pair to trade, which currency is strong and which currency is weak. This way at every moment you will know which currency pair to buy and which currency pair to sell. And of course I will show you the setup of my system, very easy manual trading system that could be called scalping, because we really take the profits very quickly and we look only at these three charts that you see in front of you. And of course I will record many examples, because this way you will get familiar with the system and you will know how to apply it by yourself. I really hope that you will enjoy the course. If you have any questions at any moment, just let me know and I will always answer you as soon as possible. Have a great time with the course.